Community gardens are wonderful things. They bring people together, they create green spaces, they allow people to grow fresh food. In a world that often feels disconnected, community gardens offer a chance to reconnect with nature and each other. Imagine a sunny afternoon spent with your neighbors, you're swapping stories as you water tomatoes and tie up bean plants. Children are laughing as they chase butterflies. It's a scene of community spirit and shared purpose. This is the magic that unfolds in a community garden. Community gardens are more than just plots of land. They are vibrant ecosystems of life and laughter. They are places where people from all walks of life come together to learn, grow, and build lasting friendships. The simple act of planting a seed and nurturing it to life has a remarkable way of nurturing our own sense of community. The first step is finding a suitable location. An ideal spot would be sunny, accessible, and have access to water. Check for any local council-owned land that might be suitable. Talk to your neighbors. You might be surprised how many people have secretly harbored a desire to grow their own vegetables. Once you have a potential location, it's time to rally your neighbors. Start by spreading the word. Post flyers on community boards, host a meeting at the local library, or start a social media group. Enthusiasm is infectious, and soon you'll have a group of eager gardeners ready to get their hands dirty. Remember, starting a community garden is a team effort. Approach your local council with your proposal. They might be able to offer support, resources, or even grant funding. With a shared vision and a little bit of perseverance, transforming that empty patch of land into a thriving community garden is achievable. Now comes the exciting part, designing your garden. This is a collaborative process. Gather your group and discuss what you want to grow. Tomatoes, peppers, herbs, and leafy greens are excellent choices for beginners. Consider creating raised beds for accessibility. These are easier to manage and can be adapted for people with mobility issues. Think about the layout of your garden. Create pathways wide enough for wheelchairs and pushchairs. Designate areas for composting and tool storage. Remember, a well-planned garden is a joy to work in for everyone. Don't forget about aesthetics. Plant flowers to attract pollinators and add a splash of color. Incorporate benches and seating areas to create spaces for socializing and relaxation. The aim is to create a welcoming and inclusive space that caters to the diverse needs and interests of your community. Section 4. Cultivating a thriving community. A community garden thrives on regular activity and shared responsibility. Establish a schedule for communal gardening days. These could be weekly or monthly, depending on your group's availability. Assign tasks such as watering, weeding, and harvesting. Gardening together is a fantastic way to share knowledge and learn from one another. Organize workshops on topics like composting, organic pest control, or seed saving. Invite experienced gardeners from the community to share their expertise. Beyond gardening, consider hosting potlucks, picnics, or even movie nights in your garden. These events will help foster a sense of belonging and turn your garden into a vibrant community hub. Remember, the true fruits of your labor are the connections you make and the memories you create together. Section 5. Reaping the rewards together. The benefits of a community garden extend far beyond the fresh produce you harvest. It's about much more than just tomatoes and cucumbers. It's about building a stronger, healthier, and more connected community. By working together, you are not only transforming a piece of land, but also nurturing a sense of shared ownership and responsibility. This, in turn, fosters a sense of pride in your neighborhood. The sight of colorful blooms and flourishing vegetables can uplift spirits and inspire a sense of collective achievement. Furthermore, community gardens play a vital role in promoting sustainable living. By growing your own food, you reduce your carbon footprint, promote biodiversity, and create a greener, healthier environment for everyone. In a world grappling with climate change, community gardens offer a tangible and empowering way to connect with nature and contribute to a more sustainable future. So gather your neighbors, find your patch of land, and start planting the seeds of a greener tomorrow today.